हेलो यूट्यूब, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल इंडियन स्नीकर हेड्स। तो यार आज आप जैसे देख सकते हो एक नया सेटअप है आपके सामने। सो द बेसिक रीज़न बिहाइंड दैट इज़ दैट आई एम फाइनली वर्किंग टुवर्ड्स माई स्टूडियो। तो सून यू विल बी एबल टू सी द होल सेटअप। अभी के लिए ये दो स्टैंड आए हैं, ये टेबल आया है जिस पे हम रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं। इसके अलावा एक तो मेरे को ये बताओ आप लोग यार, क्या मैं इस पे जो मैंने अभी किया है, आई पुट इट सिंगल शू, लेफ्ट शू राइट शू ऑन दिस शेल्फ एंड लेफ्ट शू ऑन दिस शेल्फ, ये मेथड ठीक है कि और शुड आई पुट पेयर ऑन द वन साइड एंड अनदर पेयर ऑन द अनदर साइड? सो ये आप मेरे को वीडियो स्टार्ट होने से पहले अभी कमेंट सेक्शन में जाके डू टेल मी व्हाट शुड आई डू अबाउट इट. So now let's get back to the topic. So today's I bought a used pair. Yes, you heard me right. I bought a used pair. कौन सा pair है? The pair is the Asics Atmos and Sean Weatherspoon's collaboration shoe. तो यार used pair लेना, सबसे पहले तो इस टबू के बारे में बात करते हैं. Used pair basically what I do is I wear all my sneakers. You can see some dead stock pairs, but I am waiting for a good occasion to wear those sneakers. But I wear all my sneakers, so that's why used pair खरीदना is not a bad deal. You know, you get a pretty good deal. ये sneakers यार reselling market में these are going for about 24K. Right, you heard it right. These are going for about 24,000. The retail on this pair is 14,000. So I bought it for 11,000 only. So 11,000 में यार, this is in my size, तो 11,000 में 24K का पेयर मैंने लिया. सो यार आप भी सोचोगे कि ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है, इतना बहुत डर्टी यूज होगा. सो that's where the sneak in laundry comes in. So yes, I bought the pair. The pair came in from Bangalore. इट वेंट डायरेक्टली टू स्नीक इन लॉन्ड्री. वहाँ पे उन्होंने पहले जूते को पूरा इनसाइड आउट क्लीन किया है और उसके बाद अब मेरे को ये मिला है पेयर आफ्टर गेटिंग क्लीन्ड एंड एवरीथिंग. सो बिफोर वी लुक at the pair after it came back from sneak in laundry and cleaned, let's quickly take a look. These videos that are playing right now, these are sent to me by the seller from whom I have bought the pair. So here you can see the condition and everything of the pair. Now after this, let's take a look at the video after cleaning. So let's see. पहले तो यार पेयर देख लेते हैं. So as you can see, it comes in a bag. It's a sneak in laundry bag जिसके अंदर पेयर आता है. तो उससे पहले मैं पेयर की बात करूं, let's talk about some of the accessories you get it with. तो मेरे को सब, जैसे OG ऑल बोलते हैं कि जो था सब मिला है, जिसमें ये एक्स्ट्रा लेसेस आ गए. These are kind of pinkish, I guess. उसके अलावा ये दो टैग हैं. So one says Atmos and the other says this, I don't know what symbol it represents. And after that, these are all the different Asics logo जो detachable हैं. You can use them, you can change them on the pairs. So these are all in different colors. So ये सब इसकी एसेसरीज हैं. ये इसका टैग है जो इसके साथ है. ये तो हो गए एसेसरीज. अब बॉक्स को रखते हैं हम साइड में. Now let's talk about the pairs. So first thing first यार, I literally got this pair from Sneak in Laundry in about 20 days. तो यार Sneak in Laundry, if you are watching this video, तो प्लीज़ थोड़ा सा अपने कस्टमर मैनेजमेंट पे काम करो यार. इतना टाइम नहीं वेट कर पाते हैं लोग अपने एक पेयर के लिए. एंड अगर नहीं देख रहे हैं तो मेक श्योर जो भी इस वीडियो को देख रहा है, डू टैग Sneak in Laundry and do let them know about this complaint that they deliver the pair very late. Processing is very slow. I guess they need to hire some people. That's just what I feel. So they came in the Sneak in Laundry bag. Other than that, there's this Sneak in Laundry tag जो pair पे आया. Okay. So these are mismatched. These are Asics Gel Light. And they are mismatched. So you can see, let's take a look at the bottom of the shoe. It's very clean. आप देख सकते हो यूज़ में कुछ ज़्यादा यूज़ नहीं है यार. It is still very intact and very nice. Other than that, the different colors, the all upper is in corduroy color, so you can see the different colors on all of these. So it has purple, it has green, red, brown, orange, blue, green again, some turquoise green, and yellow heel tab, and this one has red heel tab. So they came in all different colors. Now that's all about the pair, I guess. The pair comes very clean. They do put some papers in it for the support. So as you can see, this one mark that Sneaky Laundry was not able to get out. Look at this. Can you see it here? I'll try to zoom it so that you can see it properly. So this is the one mark that is not gone. I'll come close. I guess now you can see it. Other than that, I can't really find any defect. The bottoms are clear, the sole is clear, the insole is cleaned also. So you can see this. Oh my god, the insole is very nicely padded. So you can see the insole. These are also cleaned. The shoe is cleaned inside out. So now I have no worries of any bacteria or any fungus or anything that sometimes shoe catch. So the shoe is very clean. The pair look very nice. I will give you a closer review, and they are also going right to the foot. I'll wear them right now. Before I end the video, guys, I had some extra swooshes. So these are some Nike shoes that came with Jordan 3, a Jordan 3 pair that comes with the removable swoosh. And I thought it will be funny to remove the Asics ones and replace them with the Nike, because we all know that we cannot cop that Asics and Nike collaboration shoe, because that one is going off the roof. The prices for those are over 1 lakh rupees. So spending 1 lakh, I can also do the Travis Scott one with the reverse swoosh. So there you go. I just created a new collab, a collab between Travis, Nike, Sean Wotherspoon, Asics, and whatnot, Atmos. So do tell me if you would wear them, if you would rock them like this, or you will just keep the basic Asics thingies. I don't know what to call them. These are not swooshed. So the Asics logo or the Nike logo. Do let me know in the comment section. So once again, thank you for all your support. Keep loving, keep subscribing, and keep sharing the video. I'm signing off, and you will see some on fit and closer reviews right now.